to remove SIM card from Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, we will need to, of course, open the SIM tray, and we need an eject tool for the SIM tray. So once you prepare it, you can find yours inside the box, for example. Then we can put the tool into the hole, and then of course push it until the SIM tray comes out just a little bit, maybe a little bit more. There we go. So once it is out just slightly, once it pops out, you can use your fingers or fingernails in order to remove the SIM tray. And these slots are actually pretty loose, so as you can see, we can easily drop them or put them into our finger. In case they don't want to come out, then you can gently just push it from the other side, like try to maybe bend it just slightly a little bit, and it should be good to go. So that's pretty much it. Oh, and of course we need to insert the SIM tray back into the phone. Let's not forget about that. So once we remove our SIM cards, we can put it back. The SIM tray can put it back to its place. And of course make sure that it is fully in, it doesn't stick out or anything. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!